Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So this video onwards, we will be starting a new series called Chart Pattern Series. So we have finished up with all our candlestick patterns and there's an entire playlist which I have made on my YouTube channel. So if you want to know all about candlesticks, you can go and watch there. So this video onward, we will be learning about Chart Pattern Series. The Chart Pattern Series are like something like a pattern kind of things which are formed using candlesticks. So these are much more powerful than candlestick patterns, if you'll see. So slowly, we will be learning about different chart patterns. So let's get started with our first one. So the first chart pattern, what we will be seeing is known as double top. So this is generally used to trade a downtrend. So what happens? The market will be in an uptrend. Yeah. So the market will be continuously in an uptrend. After that, what will happen? It will make a low and then again it will make a top. So you can see previously it was breaking all their highs, but the last top which it made, it was similar at the same level of the previous top. So as soon as the last bottom is broken, we will enter our trade and we will take the trade in the downtrend side. Yeah, as soon as this is called peak one, peak two, and this is called the neckline. So as soon as this neckline is broken, we will take the trade. Let me show you real example, then you will understand it much better. So you can see here the market was in an uptrend. It went down. It went up again. It was not able to reach this high. Yeah. So the high, the level of these two tops will be exactly at same level or there will be a very minute difference. But when you have to trade, you don't have to take the trade here. When this neckline is broken, that is the previous swing low is broken, that time you will enter the trade. Yeah. You can see, and the risk to the target will be the height of this top. Yeah. Let me just show you another example. Here you can see the market went up. It made a first high. It went down again. Again, it went up and it made the second high. Now we will wait for this bottom line, the neckline to break. So as soon as this neckline is broken, we will enter our trade here. Yeah. And the take profit, the target will be the height of the difference between the neckline and the peak too. Yeah. So I would request you all to go back to your trading platform like Zerodha or TradingView and go and try to identify double tops, because these are really powerful chart patterns. So if you learn to identify these, you will be able to correctly trade the down trade. Yeah. So if you feel you learned something, please do give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and keep watching. Thank you.